everyone! Welcome back to our channel and I am so excited to show you this next property dahil ito ay bungalow. So shout out po sa mga team bungalow dyan. Introducing this bungalow smart home with pool, furnished and located in one of the sought-after subdivisions here in Angeles City. But before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is Rosanna and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Let's start. As you can see sa facade natin, very modern ang ating design. Ang ating lot area ay 300 square meters lot area and our floor area is 240 square meters floor area. Sa front or sa facade natin, you can see your fence. You have breeze blocks here and there. So that will enable airflow, privacy, and of course, aesthetic. Ganda, di ba? You also have plants sa harap, but if you want to add more, pwede ka pang mag-add ng mga plants dyan. You have an accent wall din dito. You have stones. Very nice. At doon naman, you'll see your carport. Two-car carport which is fully covered. Pasok na tayo. Pagpasok natin sa service gate, yes, you can see something here. Yung property po natin, pwede natin siyang ikutin. Papakita natin yun mamaya. But for now, so this is your view deck for your master's bedroom. So, papakita din natin yan mamaya. Itong daan na to, paikot yan. And here, pwede ka pang maglagay ng mga plants dito. This is the breeze block. Ang ganda niya, no? Pag nasa may loob, kita mo rin yung sa labas. So, hindi ka talaga totally walang nakikita. At, there's airflow pa rin, of course, yung privacy natin. Your porch, wide porch. Ang ganda ng porch natin. You have space here. Kung gusto mo nga maglagay ng coffee table dito, pwede naman eh. Kasi ang maganda pa sa property na to, morning sun po siya. So, very ideal if you want to have a coffee table here. You have step lights, wide porch, paakyat yan. Elevated po ang ating property, pero flood-free community po ito. So, you don't have to worry about that. Ang ganda ng ating plant box dito. Add ka pa ng plants dyan. Pwedeng-pwede. You have your accent wall here. And of course, dito, symmetric yan, pareho po silang mga artificial stone tiles or stone designed tiles. Ayan. And you also have your LED wall lamps. Your carport fully covered. Automated gate po yan. So you have remote. Your wall. You also have this. This is your kitchen. Diba? And as you can see, you have a room here. Hindi ko maisip kung anong gagamitin kong term eh. So, meron tayong papakita dyan later. Mamaya na natin i-show pagpasok natin para mas ma-appreciate ninyo. Yung pool pump natin nandito, which is also, you also have your filtration system, which is ideal kasi pag halimbawa kailangan yung pagawa, meron na tayong gate doon sa labas na pwede na nilang, doon dumaan. Ayan. Pakita natin dito. May ilaw ba dito? Yes, may ilaw siya. There. Yan. So, meron na siyang gate doon. Kita nyo naman kung gaano kalawang, no? Kasya ang dalawang van, covered siya. You have your, tignan mo na may mga ilaw natin dyan. And you also have your wood accent or design sa ating ceiling. Pasok na tayo. Look at your solid door. Ang taas niya. High ceiling din po kasi yung property natin pagpasok. And, ayan. You also have your clerestory window sa taas. Para mas maganda yung makita sa loob, no? Pasok na tayo. Smart lock. Fingerprint card app kasi nga smart home to. Let's go. Magpasok mo. See, high ceiling. Sasara natin to. Receiving area, foyer, Iba't iba kasi. Depende sa location mo kung nasan ka. Ito ang iyong living area. And before I show you that, meron ka dito isang room. This is your powder room. Ang ganda ng ating... Tignan mo naman yung natin, yung mirror natin. And you have your undermount sink and of course your toilet. At napaka-spacious ng ating powder room. Living area, lahat yan included. TV, everything here is included. And look at your ceiling. Ang ganda ng yung chandelier. Mapapansin mo, spacious din, hindi ka mahihirapang maglakad-lakad dito. If you have kids, they can play here habang nanonood kayo. If you want to add more things here. But guys, this is a smart home, but hindi pa namin mapapakita yung mga smart features because hindi pa nila nailalagay and the internet as well. One of the features din yan ay ang kanyang centralized water heater. Kung makikita nyo sa taas, I think maglalagay ng mga video si Sir. You have your solar panels there, and nandiyan na rin yung tank mo. So, centralized solar water heater po, or water heating system po ang inyong property. Dito na tayo. Bago tayo pumunta sa dining, may iba naman tayo ngayon. Mauuna tayo sa master's bedroom. Look at this. Full body mirror sa labas. So, bago ka umalis, nagtatago si Sir sa full body mirror. This is your master's bedroom. Yes, pagpasok mo, it's your bed, your aircon, and nandito na rin yung iyong CCTV monitor, your TV console, may shelves ka dyan, you also have drawers here. And ito yung kaninang pinakita ko, your view deck, may inaayos pa. Ayan, so ito pala yung switch. Pati yung dito, ayan. Oh, ayan na yung ilaw natin. This is ito yung nakita nyo kanina doon sa pagpasok natin ng gate. Dito yan. Diba? So, yung daan na yan, may ikot nyo dyan yung ating property. Excited na akong pakita yan. So, mamaya, pakita natin mamaya. Pasok na tayo. At pupunta na tayo sa ating walk-in closet. Meron kang walk-in closet. And what I like about it, kita mo yung laman. You have your clear glass. And ito, I really appreciate sellers or builders na gumagawa ng built-in cabinet na mahaba. Ladies will agree because yung mga dresses, mga coats din naman, perfect yung size na to. Diba? Kasi usually natutupi sila pero dito, hindi yan matutupi. You have your vanity area here. Pwede rin naman yung gusto mong workplace mo, pwede rin naman siya because you have shelves doon. And you have clerestory window. Very nice. Pakita natin. Meron kang clerestory window here and you also have clerestory window din dyan. So kung halimbawa nakapatay yung mga ilaw, meron ka pa rin liwanag dito sa yung walk-in closet. Your master's bathroom. So cool. You have your cabinet. And, yan. Undermount yung sink natin. And so neat siya. Look at that, yung faucet natin. Kasi dahil, and see? Kasi, centralized water heater naman siya. So, you don't need extra water heaters everywhere. So, that's very nice. Mas malinis tignan. Smart toilet po. Tempered glass partition. You have your piano type stainless steel shower set. Floor to ceiling tiles. And ayan, hindi lang nakasaksak, pero smart po yung ating toilet. This is your master's bedroom. Next, kasunod niya, this is your, I would say this is your junior suite. Why? Kasi meron siyang ensuite toilet and bath. Look at that. Ang spacious niya. You have your workspace here. Ito yung favorite ko na room. Parang gustong-gusto ko siya kasi meron ka ng nakaalat na workstation. Look at that. Ang ganda. Hala, hindi ko ito na ano kanina nag-video ko sa social media. Ganda niya. Built-in cabinet. At meron ka ring bathroom. Bathroom, we have same design ng yung master's bedroom. Yan, tempered glass partition. Ang difference lang nila, hindi siya smart toilet. But, same design, floor to ceiling tiles, tempered glass partition, your shower set, same. At ito, ang iyong sink. Ang ganda nito. Paglabas mo, ang ganda ng view pag nandyan kayo. Kita mo lahat, di ba? Parang magazine. So nice. This is our dining area. Matchy-matchy po sa ating sofa here sa yung living area. 6-seater dining set. Everything is included, pati yung mga yan, kasama na po yan. Ang ganda ng chandelier natin. At, nandito rin ang iyong view or your access going to your, alay na po tayo, going to your pool area. Ganda, pakita ko para nakikita sa loob, di ba? Kung may gathering kayo, extend mo dito yung iyong table. Ito, kung gusto mo iusog doon, habaan mo pa yung iyong table, pwedeng-pwede. Bago tayo pumunta banda dyan, I'll just show you this side. Kasi ito yung side na going to your, lalala niyo yung pinakita kong access kanina, dito yon. Papakita natin. Let's go. Hindi ko na sana papakita to. Pinapahirapan ko si Sir Darwin. Pero kasi, di ba nga ako yung pakialamerang bisita? So, papakita natin lahat yan. Ito yung paikot. Yan. Kailangan magstay yung pakialamerang bisita para makita nyo lahat ng meron dito sa property na to. Ganyan siya. Diba, ang dami mong area to. Pwede itong drying area. Pwede itong dagdagan mo ng mga plants. And, eto yan. Here. Oh, muntik pang makita si Sir Aaron. Eto yan. Alright, so pasok tayo. Balik tayo doon. And nakikita niyo yung mga sprinkler na yan. Smart powered din yan. So, kapag na-install na yung smart system natin, kontrolado nyo rin po yung mga yan. Siyempre, if you have your shower area dito, meron kang powder room, half bath, kasi your shower area is here na. Nasa labas. Sa hiwalay. No? Papakita rin natin to. Sir Darwin, I'm so sorry. Pero ang ganda kasi yung mga ibang, for me, gusto ko yung naiikot ko yung property. Alam mo yon. And, ayan. So, papakita ko muna ito. Diyan lang kayo. Ayan. Para mamaya, alam nyo kung ano tong gate na to. Pagpasok natin. Pasok na tayo para makita nyo yung sa loob. May ilaw na. Hindi namin naon agad kanina. Pasensya na po. But look at that. You have waterfalls. Meron kang mga artificial stones dyan. Oh, hindi mga RL stones yata itong mga to. Yes. So, stones talaga yan. And then you have lights. Diba? So pretty. Pasok na tayo. And I'll show you the rest of the property. And pagpasok natin, so we're done with the dining area. Tignan mo yung space dito. Going to your kitchen. Ang ganda ng kitchen natin. Diba? So nice. Meron kang, of course, your breakfast nook or your preparation area. Meron ka na rin mga chairs dito, mga stools. Waterfall design yan. Napakaganda. Sobrang neat. You have, of course, your drop lights. Medyo ano siya, medyo Scandinavian na medyo may pagka-industrial, no? Yung kanyang design. Before ko pakita yun, wait lang, look at your accent wall. Pretty. Wood panels. You have mirror dito. And then, these are included, of course. Splashboard mo, ang ganda. Madaling linisan yan. Induction cooker, your range hood. May oven ka rin here. And look at this. This one, for your dispenser. Pakita ko yung dito. This can be your storage. And also, I think it will be nice to have shelves here. Tapos, pantry. Diba? Kasi mas spacious to kasi, oh. Diba? Ang saya-saya. Yung pagbukas mo, nandiyan yung mga groceries, for your pantry. So nice. Walang kalat. I'll show you yung dito para ma-appreciate nyo habang nagluluto ka, naghuhugas ka, maluwang ang iyong galawan. Double bowl stainless steel sink, and as you can see, very neat ang ating atake. You have a view of your carport from your sink. Ang ganda ng mga ito. Look at that. Cabinets everywhere. Here, dito, ayan. So, lahat yan. Functional po. Lahat dito. And next to your kitchen, meron po tayong dalawang bedroom dahil bungalow to. So, you have another bedroom here. Spacious siya at very neat din tignan. Kasi meron yung parang sobrang cluttered yung isang room, no? This one, hindi. Ayan. So, nice. Ang spacious pa nga dito eh, oh. And then you have your built-in cabinet here. So, nice. labas na tayo. Nandito po ang inyong common bathroom. Stainless steel shower set. Sorry. Floor to ceiling tiles, tempered glass partition. Ang ganda ng height ng tempered glass partition natin. No? Yung iba kasi, bitin. Ito, sobrang taas niya. Maybe because ano din tayo, look, high ceiling tayo. Kaya, bukod sa spacious talaga yung bathroom natin, mas maaliwala siyang tignan pa. And then, this is your last bedroom. Alam mo, nung kanina nag-ocular ako, na-surprise talaga ako kasi, di ba, I belong. Hindi ko in-expect kasi na may pink na room. Di ba? Tapos hindi ko rin sinadya na mayroon akong pink. Parang room ko to. So, ito po ang ating fourth room. Same design nung kabila. I think same measurement din. Same design. You have your built-in cabinet. Para siyang twin. Parang yun yung twin na lalaki, ito yung twin na babae. Diba? Ang ganda. Let's go natin. May space pa dito. Super nice. And then this door goes to your... Gusto ko to kasi may rarampahan ka pa dyan. Pag rampa mo dito, remember the gate kanina? This is the gate. Ito yung gate kanina. And this is your dirty kitchen, service kitchen, auxiliary kitchen, na sobrang, tignan mo naman yung, di ba? Nakakapagluto ka ng matiwasay, maayos, mabilis dahil sa space mo dyan. Meron ka na ring stove and of course your oven. So, ang ganda ng mga cabinet din natin dito. Look at that, complete. Mas spacious pa siya dito. And you have your sink. Tapos, sa kabilang side, nandito po ang ating full bath. You have full bath here. Pakita ko yung ating CR. Look at your full bath. Yan, pedestal type yung ating sink. At ang ganda ng shower set natin. Stainless steel shower set din siya. Because your maid's room, nandito siya sa labas. This is your maid's room. Ang iyong maid's room, yan. Kasya po ang single bed na double deck, pwede rin. And then you can add cabinet here. So, maluwang po siya. At saka, meron siyang bintana. So, di ba? Overlooking the parking area. Diba? Sana natin. Ang ano ng hangin. That is so nice. So, that is your maid's room. And then, dito naman, you have your laundry area. Laundry area. Ang ideal nitong part na to ng property because, like, for example, may mga bisita, dumating ka, galing ka na grocery, dito ka na pumasok. Diba? Hindi ka na dadaan dun sa living area na may mga buhat-buhat. Pwede ka nang dito dumiretso. For your, you have your socket here for your washing machine and then, of course, meron ka ring sink dito. And all your detergent, dito mo ilalagay. Safety din yan kasi nasasara po ito. And your community, this is an exclusive subdivision with 24-hour security service. Dito tayo mag-end ang ating video before tayo mag-recap. Going back to your carport. So, this is your carport. So, ganun siya. Ganun mo maiikot yung property and ganun ka functional bawat corner po ng ating property. So, balik na tayo sa loob para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a modern design smart bungalow home with pool, furnished, and located in one of the sought-after subdivisions in the heart of Angeles City. Highlights what I love about the property. Number 1, bungalow siya. So, pwede ka lang tumanda dito sa property na to dahil bungalow yung property natin. And then, the lot natin, 300 square meters, 240 square meters yung floor area natin. You have your pool. Parang ideal siya na nandun na lahat ng gusto mo. Lalo na meron na tayong furniture. So, pag dating mo dito, well, dalhin mo na lang yung mga damit mo dahil pwede ka nang magstay dito dahil even your rooms, meron na tayong mga beds sa mga rooms natin. Yun din ang gusto ko, yung mga rooms natin, they are spacious and then may mga beds na tayo and then mayroong mga built-in cabinets and then we have 2 rooms that has their own ensuite toilet and bath. What else? Yung ating parking, yung ating carport, it is a 2-car carport, fully covered, and then automated pa yung gate niya. Ideally, like for example, nag-grocery ka, ikaw lang mag-isa, di ba? You have your remote, open the gate, sara mo yung gate, and then daan ka dun sa access. That is one of the highlights din ng property na to. Yung access niya going to paikot, no, yung to the laundry area and then to your kitchen, going here to your kitchen. So mas madali para sa iyo, nadali yung mga groceries mo papasok dito sa iyong bahay. Ano pa? Yung centralized water heating system natin. Isa yon sa mga maganda rin na feature dahil kahit saan ka na, hot and cold na po yung tubig kahit sa mga faucet po natin. Very useful din yon or very helpful din yon sa mga mommies lalo na pag umaga. So if you liked what you see at interested kayo, for sure nakita nyo na ang mga reels natin sa Facebook and sa TikTok, sa YouTube din. Sigurado may mga nakita na kayo mga short videos nitong property natin. Please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message us on Facebook, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, and follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. You can also follow me on TikTok, Enalalu, and Instagram, Enalalu. You can book your trippings. Kapag nakita mo na yung reels, tumawag ka na agad because yung mga ganitong property hindi ito nagtatagal sa market because of its features. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda po ng property natin. Community natin, hindi ko na-mention kanina. Meron siyang mga amenities. Ideal home, ideal community. Tawag na. If you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. Other details po, ayan. Nandito po ang mga other details ng ating property. If you're interested, call us now at we'll schedule a tripping for you. Sa mga hindi pa naman nakasubscribe, and if you like this property, please give us a like. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is Rosena, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks. Welcome back to our channel, and I am so excited. Ulit. Furnish and ulit. Our landscape garden. Pala siya landscape garden. Sir, sorry. Ay! Diba ang luwang nung daan natin? Po? Clear story window natin dito pala. You also have clear story like 3 to 1 and open. Ayaw niya ma-open. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks.